Good morning, you guys. I just got back home from yoga. I do like a really early morning practice and I just started doing this and I'm really enjoying it, but I have class this afternoon, so I want to shower and get ready, and I thought this would be a really great opportunity to do a get ready with me video. I got something really cool that I want to show you guys that I've been using to get ready for school. And yeah, so today's just going to be a get ready with me, and I'm just going to go and hop in the shower, and then afterwards we can get into the video. Okay, so I just got out of the shower and my hair is wet. This is what I'm thinking for the outfit. This necklace my boyfriend gave me for Christmas. This belt my mom gave me. This belt is from Boot Barn. This skirt is from Saks. And then regular black tights that are shredded, gray leg warmers that you can just buy on Amazon. I also have really thick legs, so I used to be really self-conscious and not want to show them off, but now I literally don't care. Here's the back. Super cute. My little star tattoo kind of shows. And now we're gonna do my hair. This is stressful because my class starts soon. It's really nasty and gray outside. My hair is really wet. So, and I have bangs to style, so there's a lot. Jesus, there's a lot to do. The blow dryer doesn't go above a certain like heat, so my hair is protected, so I'm gonna go ahead and section off my hair and start to blow dry it. Oh, I did not realize that was magnetic. Let me brush my hair and then we'll get into it. So I like to part my hair in the middle, so I just put like half of it into a clip. We're gonna go for it, and then I'm putting my brush on the outside and I'm gonna be turning my hair into myself. Rotate it from the side to the top like that. Make it straight. This is gonna be a lot easier for when you're doing it yourself. Brush and repeat. So I think that the main reason why this is better than anything I've ever used on my hair is because it allows me to style my hair like really beautifully, but it doesn't take time. For example, everything that I just dried is fully dry and it's really just gorgeous and it's really soft. I also have hair oil that they send me that I'm going to show you that I put in as well. But for example, like right now in real life, I have class in less than an hour and I still have like other things that I need to do to get ready for said class. So, you know, this product, like products that make your life easier by kind of doing time management for you, especially beauty products. If you're someone like me and beauty is like incredibly important to you, but it obviously takes a long time to do things like blow dry your hair. This just cuts that time into like a fraction of it, and that just saves my life. So that's just super important to me. But I'm just gonna continue blow drying and then I'm gonna like finish my whole head and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. Oh my gosh, this is not even all of half of my hair, but the way that this makes your hair look so much fuller and more volumized is another incredible perk. So I need to finish my hair, and luckily I can do it really fast because of this bad boy right here, my secret weapon that I'm sharing. Don't take that lightly. And then I'm going to show you guys what it looks like finished, but as you can tell, it's incredibly sleek, incredibly straight, incredibly dry. It looks so shiny and it's absolutely beautiful. This is innovation at its finest for hair products. Oh my god. Okay, so just so you know that I'm not kidding about how quick it works, I'm gonna show you how wet this side of my hair is versus how dry this side, so that you can see that my hair didn't have time to dry by itself at all. It really just works that fast. So this side is still soaking wet, and then this side, I mean, it's so dry. It's completely like silky and smooth. I'm gonna finish doing my hair and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys the final result. It's honestly the craziest thing ever. I've never experienced something that works so well and so quick. So once I brush it all out, and then I'll figure out what to do with my bangs a little later, I'm just gonna go ahead with the hair oil. It's smoothing and nourishing, and it just adds a little bit of that shine and that softness that I love so much. This is something that I really just kind of work into the ends of my hair. And yeah, that's how I do my hair. So I'm just gonna do my makeup and then I'm gonna go to class. But how awesome is that? What do you guys think? Do you love it? Would it be helpful for your life? I'm very busy, so I know it's super helpful for mine, and I have to go quickly and my hair's not ready. I really need to get ready and go to class, so I will see you guys later. But look at that shine. Oh my goodness. It's gorgeous. I'm trying to eat healthier, but I have no idea what this drink is, but I'm about to eat this. Okay, tell me why. I just got home. My camera on my phone wasn't working, so I went to make an Apple appointment, and I ended up at a Best Buy, and they were like, oh, your phone doesn't recognize your back camera, like it's not there. And they were like, you need to go to Apple and have them like replace it. So then I went to Apple and they were like, okay, like come back in 3 hours. So I walked around a mall for 3 hours, but I did buy clothes. I did. But now I have to like get ready because I'm gonna go up to my boyfriend's farm. His parents own a farm. So we're gonna go to a farm. Come with me. Cold pizza and ranch and
no deer jerky.
Oh, and deer jerky.
Let me go ask, and if not,
I am a true American girl. Me and my boyfriend are sleeping in this camper tonight. My dog is like sniffing it. She has never been in one of these things, neither have I. This is the bed that I need to make that I have not made yet. And I showered and I'm gonna go to bed. So I will see you guys in the morning. Say goodnight, Lucy. She says goodnight.
Oh no, don't get the half-beat lawnmower in the video. Oh no, what is this?
You're so beautiful.
No, that's all you, baby. Oh shit. Let's go.